So I recently posted a quick video of our unboxing and talking about this little speaker, the JBL Clip 4. It's $69.95. It's a great little speaker. It comes in a number of different colors. It has USB-C charging, gets 10 hours of playback time, Bluetooth 5.1. It does not work with smart assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. That's not what it's designed for. It's designed to have this integrated carabiner clip so you can clip it to your backpack or your purse and take it wherever you go. Now in the unboxing, the overlook, I did not actually sample any of the music, so I did want to just take a second just to go through the pairing of this and play just two different samples so that you can hear what they sound like. I'm going to be recording them on my iPad Pro, so you're not going to actually get the same sound experience, but I know that a lot of times people are interested in YouTube videos having some sort of a sound sample, so I wanted to do that. So let's take a second and actually pair the speaker and see how it sounds. Now, I'm recording this using my iPad Pro, so you're not going to get the same sound experience that I'm going to get. But a lot of times when I've done these reviews, people have gotten upset because I haven't actually included an audio sample, so we're gonna try that. So now it's ready to pair. It's now paired. So it sounds pretty good when it's quiet and when it gets loud.
For another adventure, it's through that door. Only sure and mental. Shall we make it a new day? Let's be cliche, no one's here to see. Miss our days at the beach, babe. Smell our headspace, sitting by the sea.
One of the things that I can tell you from here is it sounds great, and the vibration that I'm feeling in my hand when it's loud really speaks to the fact that this little speaker actually packs a punch. It's really surprising. So that's just a quick sound sample. Again, I'm recording this using my iPad Pro. I don't have a fancy microphone set up right now, so I don't know if it'll come through, but I did want to let you hear a sample of what the sound is like. This is the JBL Clip 4. There is a full unboxing video that's also up on our channel now, and the full written review will be available on geardiary.com. That's geardiary.com. This is Dan Cohen for Gear Diary. Thanks everybody for watching.